Okay, so this is just a little bit about stitch markers and marking your rows. So when you're working in amigurumi, because you are working in the round, it's easy to lose track of what row you're at, and because the patterns are all written in terms of first row, second row, third row, it's all defined by which round you're on. You want to make sure that you know where you started. It's helpful to count to keep track of how many stitches you've done, especially with repetition, but you definitely want to use stitch markers. So stitch marker, the best stitch marker I find is just a little piece of yarn that's been tied into a loop like that. And at the beginning of my row, what I would do is just go in through the last stitch that I did. So through that hole there, and just pull my little piece of contrasting colored yarn through. And then that way, when I come back around here, I know that when I hit the purple yarn, that's a full round. Now stitch holder, on the other hand, and you've got some of these in your kit, it's almost like a little safety pin, and you would just put that at the end of your work on your last loop if you were going to take a break or something, because if you don't have a stitch holder on there and say something catches the string, your work can just unravel like that. But if you have a stitch holder on there, it won't unravel. So that's just two little things. You could use safety pins, paper clips. People use all sorts of things, but these are my personal favorites.